All right, let's talk about how you can sort columns without mixing data in Excel. So here we just have some very basic data. We have the date, ID, and the sales associated with that date and ID. Now I have this set of data highlighted in yellow for you so that you can see how sorting can kind of mix up data sometimes. So let's say that for the date, I want to sort from the earliest date to the latest date, or least to greatest. So I can click anywhere within my data, right click, I can just simply go to the sort and then select oldest to newest. And you'll notice that the date column sorted, but the ID and sales stayed exactly where they were. So it's mixing up the data. Now this typically happens because at some point in your data, there is a blank column. And there are two ways to fix that. And I'll just kind of undo this. The first way is to find the blank column. We'll notice that we have columns A, B, and we skip C and go to D, which means there's probably a hidden column here that we can unhide, and we have this blank column. We can delete that column, and now when we right click, sort, oldest to newest, we'll notice that each column will sort respectively. Now another way to do this, instead of having to find any hidden or blank columns, is to create a filter. And we can rehide this again. We'll select this entire row of headers here. We'll go up to the home ribbon, sort and filter, and select the filter. We can then select oldest to smallest here, and it will include that blank row or that hidden column as part of our headers or part of our data. So the entire row or entire set of data will sort. But there you have it. That's how you can sort columns without mixing up data, or why your data might be getting mixed up when you're trying to sort. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.